Hi everybody, Paul here again. In this video, I'm going to show another way to fix one of the most common causes of an airbag light on a vehicle and how to easily fix it. This video could save you a lot of time, money, and aggravation, so stay tuned. Always remember that airbags are a supplemental restraint system, which is a supplement to seat belts. Most injuries caused by airbags are due to seatbelts not being worn when an airbag deploys, so always be sure to wear your seatbelt. If the airbag light does not turn off or flashes after starting the vehicle, this means there's a fault somewhere in the airbag system. This means if the vehicle is involved in a collision, the airbags will not work. I just had this vehicle brought to me, which has an airbag light on, so I checked it with a diagnostic scanner. As you can see in this picture, the diagnostic scanner is showing a B as in boy 1821 diagnostic trouble code, which says open inside squib right hand circuit. The term side squib refers to an airbag located on the outer side of the front seats, located in this area here. This particular airbag light is being caused by the side airbag on the right front seat. Now, a lot of you are going to say, but Paul, I don't have a diagnostic scanner, or the diagnostic scanner that I do have doesn't have the ability to check the airbag system. Well, I've got good news. A lot of these airbag lights can be fixed without any special diagnostic equipment. Let me explain. Something that most people don't know, and something that most auto repair facilities don't want you to know, is most airbag lights are caused by a poor electrical connection and has nothing to do with the failure of an airbag system component. These electrical problems usually occur where the airbag wire connections are subject to movement. The place where this movement occurs is typically on the front driver's seat and the front passenger seat. These wire connections are located underneath the seat and on the side of the seat. The movement of these wire connections can occur from moving the base of the seat back and forth, tilting the upper seat back and forth, movement of an occupant sitting in the seat, too many things stored underneath the seat, vacuuming underneath the seat, removing the seat, or even driving on extremely bumpy roads. So when an airbag light turns on, here's what to do. With the key removed from the ignition, make a fist and hit the side of the seat where the side airbag is located along this surface here. Be sure to do this on both front seats. There's no need to disconnect the battery when you do this. Now I'll start the vehicle to see if the airbag light turned off. As you can see, the airbag light is now off, so this fixed it. So if your airbag light ever turns on, give this a try. If this does not fix it, then click on this video in the top right-hand corner and follow this next procedure. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. And while you guys are working on your car, I'll be working on a tan on this beautiful white sandy beach.